Hey guys, I'm here at the shop today. I had a customer bring me this Polaris MSX 150 ski to find a freshwater leak that was causing the ski to fill with water. Follow along and I'll tell you what I found. These skis don't really like being run on the water hose that long, so I had to run it in the lake to find the leak. This wasn't the easiest leak to find, but running in the water on the trailer made it more obvious. Lucky for everyone watching this video, I have an inexpensive fix for the problem. Check my description for links to the parts and tools needed to fix this water leak. As you can see by the water spraying out from the flange on the heat exchanger, this is a pretty substantial leak. It was also spraying out around the e-box and battery, so it really needed to be fixed. So you guys can get a full idea about how big this heat exchanger is sitting under the intake manifold, here are a couple pictures of what it looks like. Take note that there are two end caps on the assembly. This is how badly worn away the rubber seal was on the end cap of the ski. Make sure to clean the end cap very well and be sure it doesn't have any cracks in it that would cause another water leak. When you get the bolt out to remove the heat exchanger end cap, make sure you don't lose the rubber O-ring shown in this video and picture. It does need to be put back in when it's reassembled. To get the best seal, you need to spend some quality time with a brass brush, razor blade, Scotch-Brite pad, or all of them, and brake clean to get the surface areas clean. This is what the end of the heat exchanger should look like before you get ready to reinstall the end cap with the O-ring and new gasket. I did use some blue Loctite on the bolt so it wouldn't vibrate and fall out. This is the part needed to reseal the end cap to the heat exchanger assembly. It is a Mercruiser boat part. I will be adding links in my description for the parts and tools needed to fix this leak. It does support my channel if you use my affiliate links, and I greatly appreciate any support that you can offer. These are all the parts needed to reseal the end cap and the order in which they go together. The small O-ring in the picture fits into the recessed portion of the end cap like this. This is what the finished repair will look like. I found it easiest to use a socket and flex head small ratchet to get into the tight area. Two other issues I found were the bilge siphon hoses were coming off at the back of the pump, so I reattached them better, and the mechanical bilge evacuation hoses were laying low in the ski. I routed them to the proper location and tie strapped them properly. That concludes this video. If you enjoyed the video or just found it helpful, please smash the like button. Subscribe to my channel to see more cool videos like this one, and don't forget to check out my description for links to the tools and materials I used in this video.